Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. February Hobby. So I will do an quick review and comparison about the new or latest casting of BMW from Hot Wheels, which is BMW M2. So these are the first generation BMW 1M from Matchbox and this second generation from Hot Wheels. And now I want to go through first the casting from BMW Hot Wheels. After that we're gonna do the review of both of these casting. First of all, we go for the BMW from Hot Wheels. You can see we have the grill tempo, we have the light tempo, we have the logo BMW also from tempo there, and this very nice casting from Hot Wheels. We have the side mirror. It's very nice, I love it, and the body itself is super awesome, very nice. And luckily Hot Wheels, I get the Hot Wheels BMW that the tempo is not run. Usually Hot Wheels from BMW Hot Wheels that use tempo like this, usually they a bit run from the place. So luckily I get the very quite nice, I mean quite perfect for the tempo itself. From the side, nothing else I can say, but I love the rims. It's very suitable with the body or with the color itself. And from the back here we have the light tempo, we have the BMW M3, I mean the M logo here also, and the Hot Wheels logo, and also the BMW logo, I think so. Yeah, and these are very detailed. We go for the downstairs. Okay, it's super awesome. Made in Malaysia, 2017 copyright. So the casting just made last year, and this is BMW M2 2016. Awesome casting from Hot Wheels, and these are one of my favorite casting from Hot Wheels for this year. I mean for the 2018 casting. Now let's go for the comparison of both of this BMW, which actually is brother. You can see here. Actually, I believe Hot Wheels use the casting from Matchbox for create this M2 because I can see the similarity here. For example, like the side mirror or the big is the same, and here also the how to say this one, antenna, shark fin antenna also almost the same. Just here I saw that Matchbox is most detailed with the body shape. You can see the line here, but Hot Wheels doesn't really that the line cannot be, it's not really that sharp like Matchbox create the BMW. And from the back side, yes, I believe they use the same pattern from casting because Matchbox and Hot Wheels are in the same company, which is Mattel. And yeah, super nice here, but I still love Matchbox because Matchbox detail cannot beat by Hot Wheels. And down here, this car already been camber and custom, but still can be moved. Right, maybe I will do the review later, not in this video. So far the BMW M2 have quite nice body, super awesome. I love it so much. Congratulations BMW from Hot Wheels. You done a good job. I love the casting, the detail is super. The proportion, I mean the proportion of the body also is okay, not too big, not too small, just okay. And you can see here, it is a second generation, this is a first generation, so I love both of them. So thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, it's Mr. Hobby. Don't forget to click like and subscribe this channel for more of diecast video. Mr. Hobby, see ya, bye bye.